Find the fixed moments for eccentric couple like this. M, this is A, this is B. So now let us assume here MA clockwise, here MB also clockwise. Then simply support bending moment is like this. Simply support bending moment is simply support beam is like this. M, this is A, this is B. Reactions like this. M by L, M by L. Now for this bending moment diagram is clockwise, left anti-clockwise positive up to here. Then here this height is M by L into B, that is MB by L positive. Then suddenly drops like this. How much? This height, this drop is actually this one M by L into A, M by L into MA by L. This is negative. Bending diagram is like this for this. Next, MA separately will consider. That means for this part, only MA. That is clockwise means anti-clockwise like this. MA by L, MA by L. For this bending diagram is from 0 it starts and up to here. Here MA. This is positive. Then last part, is MB, simply supported with simply supported beam with MB. MB is also clockwise we have taken this span L. So clockwise means here anti-clockwise. This clockwise means here anti-clockwise like this. That means MB by L, MB by L. That means the pendulum diagram is like this. Negative. See here MB by L means left anti-clockwise negative. That means we'll draw like this, but I will put negative sign here. This is negative. That is MB here. So these three are the bending moments. This one and this one and this one. Combinedly, this and this together combinedly will get the bending moment for this fixed beam. Now we know uh, positive area equal to negative area and moment of positive area equal to moment of negative area. These two conditions will help us to solve this problem. That means total area must be 0. Positive area equal to negative area means total area must be 0. So positive area equal to negative area will put. So what is positive area means? First this positive area is this positive area. This positive area half into L into MA. This negative area minus half L into MB. Okay. Positive area, negative area. Negative area we have taken minus. That means total area must be 0. This is positive area. This is B, this is A. Positive area means plus half B into MB by L, this is negative area, minus half A into MA by L equal to 0, or see this all 2's will go away, 2, 2, 2, 2. Now dividing MA, dividing with LA, MA minus MB equal to, this will come this side, M A square by L square, this will come this side, minus MB square by L square, or MA minus MB equal to M by L square into A square minus B square. Okay. Now this is equation number 1. This is equation number 1. Now moment of area. Moment of area must be 0. Now I will take positive one. That is area is MAL by 2 is the area. This one MAL by 2 is the area. Into central distance about A is 1/3 of L. That is L by 3. This one minus this area is MBL by 2 is the area. Moment means 2/3 of L. 2/3 of L. This positive area plus that area is half MB square by half B into MB by L into central distance about A means A plus B by 3. A plus B by 3 minus this minus area half into A into MA by L into 2/3 of A equal to 0. That means here in all, okay, separately we will write MA L square by 6 minus MB L square by 3 equal to this, will take it out this side, 2 gets cancelled here, minus becomes plus M A cube, M A cube by 3L. 3L, this side, if this comes left side means M AB square by 3L minus M B cube by 6L. Okay. L square by, multiply with L square by 6. Multiplying with L square by 6. L square by 6. I mean 6 by L square. Multiplying with 6 by L square. MA minus 2MB equal to 6 by L square. 1 by L square. Multiplying 6 means M also take it out. Take 6 inside. That means 2 A cube by L. L also take outside. M by L cube minus 2A cube minus, multiplying with 6, 3 AB square minus, multiplying with 6 means B cube. 2A cube minus 3AB, 2A cube minus 3AB square minus B cube. So this is the equation 2. Now equation 1 minus 2. 1 minus 2 means MA minus MA gets cancelled. Minus MB, minus of minus plus 2MB, that is equal to MB. That means equation 1 minus 2 will get MB. That means here this minus this means here M by L cube, take it out, that is A square L minus B square L that minus this means minus 2a cube plus 3ab square plus 3ab square plus b cube. This is mb. So we need to simplify this actually. How to simplify that? Here simplification is a square a square a square l minus 2a cube. That means a square taking out means l minus 3a. L minus 2a. L minus 2a means l minus a is b minus a. That is okay. Separately we will simplify that. That is first two terms take l outside. L into a square minus b square minus 2a cube plus 3ab square plus b cube. So first L into here a plus b into a minus b minus in this term actually plus a will take it out. A means b square 3b square 3b square minus 2a square plus b cube that equal to a plus b is L. So L square into a minus b L square into a minus b plus here a into 2b square minus 2a square plus one more b square is there. B square ab square a into b square plus b cube that is equal to L square into a minus b plus here 2 take it out 2a b square minus a square b plus a into b minus a. That means L into b minus a plus here b square taken out means b square into a plus b, that is b square L. B square L, that means al square minus bl square plus 2abl minus 2a square L plus b square L. So no, not getting cancelled here. Okay, still here a minus b we can take it out. A minus b means L square here minus 2al. L square minus 2al plus b square L. Now a minus b here L taking out L minus 2a plus b square L. So finally L taking out a minus b into L minus 2a plus b square. Now L into a minus b into this L minus 2a is L minus a is b, L minus a is b minus a plus b square, that is L into a minus b into b minus a, that is ab minus a square minus b square plus ab plus b square. B square gets cancelled. That means I'll write here L into ab minus a square So completely A taken out. A can be taken out. L A B minus A plus AB, 2AB. Okay, that is 2AB. 2AB. Okay, A can be taken out and 2B minus A. 2B minus A. That equal to, that is R LA into adding 1B here and minus B here, 3B minus L, like that. So this can be written as MB equal to M by L cube into LA into 3B minus L. Therefore MB equal to MA by L square into 3B minus L. MA by L square, MA by L square into 3B minus L. That is MB. So substituting here, MA we will get MA equal to, here this one from here, we'll solve here for MA. MA equal to this plus MB. MA equal to M by L square into A square minus B square, A square minus B square plus MB, plus MB, that equal to M by L square, A square minus B square. MB is M by L square into 3AB plus 3AB minus LA. That means that equal to M by L square into, here here A square minus B square is A plus B into A minus B, that is L into A minus B. L, that means LA minus LB, LA minus LB plus 3AB minus LA. LA cancel, and that is M, B taken out, MB by L square, B taken out. So 3A minus L. So finally we got MB equal to, MA equal to here, MA equal to MB by L square, M into B by L square into 3A minus L, and here MB equal to, here MB equal to MA by L square 3B minus L. 3B minus L, both are clockwise direction. That you should remember. Both are in clockwise direction, MA and MB.